January's always bitter. Lord, this one beats on. The wind ain't quit for weeks now, and the drifts are 10 feet tall. Well, I've been all night driving heifers closer into lower ground. Then I spent the morning thinking about the one the walls pulled down. Well, Charlie Barton and his family stopped the day to say goodbye. Said the bank was taking over, the last few years were just too dry. And I promised that I'd visit when they found a place in town. Then I spent a long time thinking about the one the walls pulled down. Lord, please shine a light of hope on those of us who fall behind. When we stumble in the snow, you help us up while there's still time. Well, I don't mean to be complaining, Lord. You've always seen me through, and I know you got your reasons for each and everything you do. But tonight outside my window, there's a lonesome, mournful sound. I just can't keep from thinking about the one the walls pulled down. Oh Lord, keep me from being